This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Nationwide solidarity was witnessed last night to defeat the menace of COVID-19 when citizens switched off the lights in their homes at 9 p.m. and lit up diyas, candles, torches or mobile flashlights. Following Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal, people across the country came out at balconies and doorsteps of their houses to carry out the exercise for 9 minutes. The illumination reflected the country's collective resolve to fight coronavirus. President Ramnath Kovind, Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi joined the fellow citizens by lighting candles and diyas. The East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner has promulgated curfew in Shillong agglomeration and its adjoining areas from 6 this morning up to 6 a.m. on 10th of April as a preventive measure against the spread of COVID-19. However, all fair price shops, identified groceries, vegetable, fruit, meat vendors and confectionery and essential items shops in all localities of Shillong agglomeration will remain open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. today and tomorrow. The Deputy Commissioner has requested the public to strictly maintain social distancing of at least 1 meter, not to overcrowd in one area or shop, and to cooperate with management made by the district administration, district police and Rangbash Nongs. Meghalaya Health and Family Welfare Minister A.L. Hek yesterday said that the government has ordered masks in huge quantity, some of which will arrive in the state by Wednesday. The minister also informed that the health department will hold a meeting with private hospitals in Shillong to chalk out strategies on tackling COVID-19. Union Minister of Development of Northeastern Region Donor, Dr. Jitendra Singh has said that regular air cargo supplies including essential commodities and medical equipment are reaching the northeastern states. Dr. Singh said there is no dearth of any item or any possibility of any dearth in the days to come. Dr. Singh also informed that the international border measuring about 5,500 kilometers along the northeast India stands fully sealed to contain the spread of coronavirus. Nagaland has received from the centre its first instalment of 20.50 crore rupees under the State Disaster Response and Mitigation Fund for the year 2020-2021. Talking to reporters, Johnny Rongmei, officer on special duty, Nagaland State Disaster Management Authority said the state government would use 25% of the total amount received from the centre to bolster its efforts to fight the COVID-19 crisis. The disaster management authorities in all 11 districts of Nagaland have been sanctioned 5 lakh rupees each for extending relief and support to daily wage earners and the poor at the state's quarantine centres. Swab samples of 25 people from Arunachal Pradesh linked to a religious congregation in Delhi's Nizamuddin have tested negative, health officials said yesterday. Swab samples were taken from 22 people who attended the congregation last month, besides the family members of the state's lone COVID-19 patient who is undergoing treatment. Deputy Commissioner Komkar Dolom said that 30 people are at quarantine centres in Itanagar and out of them 3 are students. A total of 1,149 people are in home quarantine in Itanagar. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal yesterday reviewed the law and order situation with senior officials in Assam Police Headquarters in Guwahati. Mr. Sonowal announced to extend the insurance coverage of 50 lakh rupees to police personnel and other staff who are engaged in the fight to prevent COVID-19 along with healthcare workers. 26 positive cases were reported in Assam till yesterday. Meanwhile, Bidyananda Barkotaki, advisor Northeastern Tea Association, has welcomed the move to exempt the tea industry from lockdown by adhering to proper norms. The Nagaland government has called for utilization of the service of volunteers trained under the Abda Mitra scheme for the containment of COVID-19 in the state. Home Commissioner Abhijit Sinha said the volunteers would be responsible for providing services such as relief-related works like providing medicines, food, clothing and other items to the disabled, elderly and needy persons. If necessary, the volunteers may suitably trained to tackle the pandemic, he said. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.